हैदराबाद सिटी कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस कोटा श्रीनिवास रेड्डी ने हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस स्टॉल का नुमाइश ग्राउंड में शानदार पैमाने पर इफ्तिताह अंजाम दिया। लोगों को ट्रैफिक, साइबर क्राइम, सेंट्रल क्राइम स्टेशन, शी टीम्स के बारे में अवेयरनेस देने के लिए ये स्टॉल्स लगाए जाते हैं। स्टॉल्स में स्कूल व कॉलेजेस के बच्चों, शहर के मकीनों को ट्रैफिक कवानीन, ट्रैफिक पुलिस के आलात और इनकी कारकर्दगी से भी आगाह किया जाता है। कोटा श्रीनिवास रेड्डी हैदराबाद सिटी ने नुमाइश को देखकर अपने पुराने बचपन के दिन याद किया और कहा कि मुझे वो याद आ जाते हैं दिन जब मैं 22 साल पहले महकमे ट्रैफिक में काम करता था। नुमाइश के दौरान महकमे ट्रैफिक में 45 दिन का अलर्ट दरकार रहता था। हैदराबाद का मतलब है चार मीनार, किला गोलकुंडा और नुमाइश आमदनी का अजीम जरिया है। इस साल भी पुलिस ने यहाँ पर बेहतरीन पैमाने पर स्टॉल्स लगाए हैं और गुज़िश्ता साल 1,20,000 अफराद ने पुलिस स्टॉल्स का दौरा किया था। इस साल भी लोग बड़ी तादाद में पुलिस स्टॉल्स पर जाकर आगाही फराहम करने की इन्होंने उम्मीद जाहिर की। स्टॉल लगाने में मदद करने वाले ओहदेदारान की भी इन्होंने खूब ज़्यादा तारीफ की। पेश है DTV9 की ये खुसूसी रिपोर्ट।
Of celebration, and also as a traffic cop, we remember it as a very hectic bandobast item for 45 days in Hyderabad city, in this part of the city. But we always had support of the exhibition society right from the beginning, and we always conducted this bandobast much to the satisfaction of every citizen of the state and also this great city, because like cities are known for certain things. Hyderabad is known for 2-3 things, and one is Charminar, Golconda Killa and Numaish. So Hyderabad ka naam aur nishan banta hai in 3 cheezon se. Of course Birla Temple is also there. Now many more landmarks have been added, but then these old and these very antique ideas still, they ring well in the minds of people when we talk about Hyderabad. Coming to the organizers and the way it is organized here, and as the Vice Chairman was saying, the ecosystem they build here, the kind of economic activity that they generate, though seasonally for 45 days, but it has been always a great source of income for many people, traders as well as the people who work with them. Apart from being a center of goods and commodities for the consumers of this city. Like every year, so this year also we have installed our police stalls here. So it used to be only one earlier, that is traffic stall, with only some photographs and limited equipment that we had those days, 22 years back. But now I see technology certainly made a headway, and we have a lot of gadgets that act as force multipliers, and which help will help us in regulating, enforcing the traffic law. And added to this is the now Bharosa stall, the she teams, the women safety stall, we call it as, from Central Crime Station. So where you have the Bharosa teams displaying their methodologies, how they go about giving protection to the women of the city, how they go about nailing down the eavesdroppers, the bad elements, and also of course the cyber fraud detection element with all those gadgets that we saw there. I request all the visitors of this exhibition to certainly see these two stalls without fail. Certainly because it's now at the very entrance, and also it's just diagonally opposite to the cultural dais there. So people who see the cultural programs who come here must pay a visit, and I request that I do hope that the footfalls on these stalls this year would be much more, maybe increased by, manyfold. I don't really say, but they were saying last year it was about 1.2 lakh. How many visited? Last year somebody was telling me. 21 lakhs. No, our stall. 1 lakh 20. That's what Hari Prasad, no? His name. Harish told me. So this time it should be. So 21 lakhs was the footfall for the entire exhibition, right? For all 45 days.
Yes.
So let it be like that. Something around 15 lakhs. So that that many more people will get educated, will become aware about traffic rules, and that much more easy it becomes for all of us, in regulating traffic and having a congestion-free, traffic environment. So I wish, all of us sitting here, including so try to drive them from there. If they are there, try to drive them inside.
Sure.
Of course, there should be no traffic jam here. We must ensure that. So. But I do hope, yes, this time it will be, footfalls will be definitely much more than what it used to be in previous years, at least 3-4 times. And all the officers who are stationed here, who are on bandobast, must have some, public address system, inviting people to come. Just don't leave it like that, if people want to come, try to, be little more proactive, to invite people to, guide them here. And then, of course, you should be there, our people, to explain, because they'll see all those gadgets particularly, and then they would have a lot of questions particularly, and they'll have a lot of doubts, and they'll have a lot of queries to shoot at us, and we should be able to clarify all of them to their satisfaction. That increases their interest, and many people would visit, and they'll feel satisfied that yes, they have been attended to. I certainly hope like every year, this year also, this initiative would bring a little more awareness into the minds of our civilians of this city. I thank once again the organizers of the exhibition for partnering with us in this regard. I also